Okay, this is the tutorial to Shut Up and Dance by Jason Derulo. First thing I want you to know is that this choreography is a Club Fits choreography, but I have altered it a little bit to fit what our group needs. So that's the first thing I want you to know. Second thing is there are a lot of components to it, but it's not too hard for someone to get if they just continue to do the moves. A lot of the moves are things that we do in class anyway, okay? So we're gonna start out, with what we call a hip roll. So I'm gonna roll my hip, but while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna roll my neck to the right, roll twice, and then I'm gonna roll twice to the left. Then I'm gonna back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll my hips. 3, 4, and back it up. 2, 3, 4, and roll my hips. 2, 3, 4. Then I'm gonna go to, he talks about his London girl, so I'm gonna knee raise. 2, 3, 4. On that last one, you're gonna kind of skip and walk up. 2, 3, 4, and out, and out, and out, and out. Bring it up, bring it up. Asian girls, and turn, and it says shut your mouth. Then we're going to, on the chorus, we're going to jump. It's a jump to the side, and when you do that, see if y'all can see my feet, you're going to do your feet in and out, okay? So it's jump, and 2, and 3, and 4, and jump, and 2, and 3, and 4, jump, and 2, and 3, and 4, okay? All right, same thing again. Start with the neck roll, hip roll, okay? Now, we're gonna go through that sequence twice, and after the second verse and chorus, I want you to come down like this. You'll hear it in the music slowly. Then I want you to get in the lowest squat that you can, not comfortably, because you're not supposed to be comfortable, but you're gonna start working your drums. You want your abs to be tight. You want to be down in that low squat, so you're going to go hit, 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 and pop. I want you to really focus those abs when you pop. So you're going to go hit, 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 and pop. Hit, 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 and pop. Hit, 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 and pop. And you're going to pretty much go through that for several 8 counts. Then we're going to move to the front. Hit, 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 and pop. Hit, 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 and pop. Okay, so after that sequence is over, you're back to the head roll, hip roll, twice. Now, on that last verse, instead of where we walk forward again, it's gonna start the chorus. So you're gonna go right into that jump, and you're gonna, instead of jumping back and forth 4 times, you're gonna keep going with that. Then we're going to go back to our drums on the side for an 8 count, and then for an 8 count to the front, okay? And then at the end of the song, you're back to that, my London girls with the knees up, skip, walk, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2 more, and bring it up, up, Asian girls, and turn, and that's the end of the song.